Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be reviewing HostNest, which is a new cloud platform that's just been released. So I found out about this when they emailed me. The sales at HostNest emailed me asking if I could do a review, as obviously it is a new platform and they want obviously some customers. So we're going to be doing that today. So they've given me a free access to a medium tier that they have on offer, and basically what we're going to do with that is just set up a basic home lab environment. So we're going to be installing Docker, straightforward, and once we've done that, we'll see if we can get Portainer installed, and then we'll obviously just try and deploy a web server, and then obviously I'll go through my final verdicts on how easy it is, etc. But you can see in front of me we have the HostNest website. Obviously it's got snow on it because it is Christmas. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from all of us at Harvey's Virtual Environment. Anyway, on the website, again, quite a nice design. There's 4 services at the moment, but it does look like there's room for 2 more. So maybe that's something that they'll announce in the future. Hopefully they do let me review them 2 new ones, and maybe some more of these for you as well. Let me know if you would like to see that by leaving a like on this video. So we're going to be looking at Cloud VPS today. So we've obviously got the summary of what's so special, and the selection of OSs really caught my eye because it says macOS Monterey and Sonoma, along with Windows Server and Windows 10 and 11. So maybe we might see that in the future. And they do offer a custom system. I'm guessing with macOS and Windows you have to contact request that. But I'm just going to be doing a basic one today. So I'm going to order x86. Actually, let's do an ARM tier and just switch things up a bit. So the ARM tier, again, it's cheaper than the x86. But for £5 a month we get 2 cores and 4 gigs of RAM with 40GB of SSD. Oh no, it's HDD storage. I believe 100 megabits bandwidth, even though testing this before, I seem to get gigabit, so I don't know what that's about. So we have Ubuntu 23.10 or Debian 12. If you want Debian 12, I believe you do have to contact them with the ARM tiers. Otherwise you just get Ubuntu. So what I'll do is select the basic plan. I'll fill in my details here, and then once I've got it ordered, I'll show you a screenshot, and then we'll go on to the next step of obviously SSHing into our new Linux VPS. So I've signed up and got the confirmation email. Along with that confirmation email, I did get another email from hosting@hostnest.cloud, and it says the following. I will pop an image on screen, and basically it's telling me the credentials and IP address to log in with. So what I'm going to do is use an SSH application, so PuTTY in this case, and what I'll do is we'll get connected. So the IP address that is provided, the IPv4 address, I'm going to use that, and you can see login as. They give you a root user, which is great. Obviously, again, I wonder if it asks to change this root password. It does indeed, so if I put in a new password, there we go, looks like we're in. So let's do htop. So 4 gigs of RAM, 2 cores, and I did opt for the Debian 12. They give me that just because I'm using the free coupon code. They've automatically set me up with Debian version 12. But now, basically, we're ready to install Docker. So we'll do an apt-get update and apt-get upgrade -y first, and then we'll install Docker IO and Docker Compose. Again, we don't need Docker Compose in this video, but it's good to have that installed just in case you need it in the future in your home lab. But once this is done the update, we'll install those, and then hopefully we'll get onto installing Portainer. So apt-get install docker.io and docker-compose, and we'll use the -y tag to accept. So it's installing Docker now. What I'll do whilst it's installing, I'll head onto the Portainer website and we'll get the install commands for Portainer, and then Portainer will allow us to manage it from the web, so we don't need SSH anymore. So I've created that, and let's run the Portainer Docker container. So we'll see if this works. Hopefully it does. So we've got this error here. I'm unsure what that is. Let's have a look. So just give us a few moments and we'll see. So the solution to that was installing AppArmor, which was sudo apt-get install. Sorry, not sudo. It's just apt-get install AppArmor, and then that worked. Well, it seemed to have worked. We've got the output of the container ID. How about we do docker ps? Yeah. So Portainer's there. So what we'll do, we do hostname-i. You can see our public IP address here. Let's go onto the web browser, and then we'll see if we can access it. So obviously port 9443. Let's make sure we've got HTTPS. Connection isn't private, that's fine. And it does look like Portainer is installed, so set in a password, one that's strong. Whoops. And get started, and as you can see, we've got Portainer. So what I'll do, I'll pull an image HTTPD, as obviously it's a light container. We'll pull that image, and then we'll set up a basic web server. So that's pulled now. We'll go to containers, add one, HTTPD, name it test, 80, and then we'll do the port of 3000 on the host, and we'll just apply it like so, and we'll just see. So again, public IP address, port 3000, and as you can see it works, as it says on the container. So that works. You know, it works just fine. Obviously you can do much more with this, create networks, etc., but I'm not going to delve into that. But that's it really. HostNest, again, thank you for letting them me set up a tier on the Cloud VPS. I was going to do an x86 one, but I actually decided to buy the low tier with my money, just to see what it was like on the because it was cheap, £5 a month for that. It's fine, especially if you're not obviously into home labbing yet and you've not got your own server set up. That's the perfect way of starting. If you would like to check it out, please do check it out. I'll leave a link in the description, and they've got a special offer on with the code Christmas23 for 10% off any order over $8.99. So if you'd like to check it out, please do, link in the description below. I hope you've had a great Christmas and a happy new year. That's been me, and I'll see you in the new year. Goodbye.